Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Travel. A new movement is sweeping through the medieval cobbled streets of Europe, and it's spreading like wildfire. Veganism is slowly but surely taking over the continent's cities, and it can't get enough. Gone are the days where a trip to LA was necessary to get your hand on faux beef burgers and plant-based cupcakes. An awakened meat-free mecca is emerging right on our doorstep, and we're here for it. Here's our list of the best vegan cities in Europe. London, England. There's no better place to try your hand at veganism than in many cafes, bars, and restaurants dedicated to the lifestyle of the movement lining the streets of London. Home to one of the best vegan fine dining restaurants in the world, the capital city is bursting with the options for the compassionate eaters, offering veganized versions of everything from fried chicken to pizza and even kebabs. Not only are these locations helping preserve the planet, they're also incredibly aesthetic and usually feature on the list one of the most Instagrammable places in London. Amsterdam, the Netherlands. Staying true to the vibe of this freewheeling, vibrant metropolis, veganism is surprisingly popular among the residents of Amsterdam. Proving that being vegan doesn't equal the picture of health, the Dutch capital is serving up some of the most incredible plant-based junk food that'll make you fall in love at first sight. Head to the vegan junk food bar for loaded fries and plants galore. For a more fine dining approach, book a table at the Terrazin Center for Japanese and Caribbean cuisine. Another opportunity to take stunning foodie shots. Amsterdam is the closest thing to a vegan holy grail if we've ever seen one. Warsaw, Poland. Rather unexpectedly, Warsaw is the dark horse when it comes to vegan options in Europe. Recently listed as a top vegan city, the Polish capital has over 40 vegan restaurants with innovative choices ranging from sushi, liquid nitrogen ice cream, croissants, and schnitzel. Stop by Veggie Miasto for traditional meals with a vegan edge, and Crowar Ziwa vegan burger for when you're feeling like a more casual feed. The surprisingly commonness of a vegan lifestyle in this city means you won't be charged an arm and a leg at these specialty restaurants. Paris, France. When you think plant-based, France isn't exactly the first country when it comes to mind with its rich emphasis on cheese and butter. However, Paris hopped on the vegan train and is moving full steam ahead. With almost 50 full vegan locations scattered across the city, there's plenty of places to satisfy your cravings and settle down for an afternoon of fine dining. Make sure to eat at Le Portugeux de Marais, famed for its menu and the breathtaking neighborhood it's set in. Paris has many vegan tours of the city, so you can scope out all the best spots before you make a reservation. Berlin, Germany. A dream come true for many vegan enthusiasts. The German city is truly the capital of Europe's cruelty-free cuisine. You'll be spoiled for choice in Berlin with its plethora of vegan eateries, clothes shops, and grocery stores. Home to one of Europe's biggest vegan festivals, Veganist Summerfest, and a chain of vegan food stores. Vegans, it's safe to say that they've got it covered when it comes to plant-based food. Whether you're a full-blown convert or just trying to do your bit, Berlin is perfect as a place to go without any animal produce and style. Budapest, Hungary. Rapidly racing ahead of the curve when it comes to animal welfare and environmentally conscious activities, Budapest is the next stop on the tour of the best vegan cities in Europe. Kickstart your health cleanse with a dip in one of the city's outdoor thermal baths and feed on your soul at vegan love. If you're a more traditional Hungarian dish doesn't compromise your beliefs, take a seat at the Nap Fenyes restaurant, where veganizing local dishes is their specialty. Hosting monthly vegan pop-up markets, opening artisanal vegan cheese shops, and testing the waters with veggie burgers. This Eastern jewel is well on its way to becoming Europe's vegan hub. Prague, Czech Republic. Typically known for its meat-based dishes, the popular weekend getaway is defying all expectations and venturing into veganism. The recent influx of tourists from all walks of life has encouraged the Gothic Bohemian city to cater for all, resulting in a thriving vegan scene to rival the best of them. Eat Czech Bakken dumplings at Plevel, and get your snacks at Puro, and see the city in a new light at one of the I Like Veggie walking food tours. Step out of your comfort zone and dive headfirst into Prague's plant-based scene. You won't regret it. Gothenburg, Sweden. Sweden's second largest city is jam-packed with trendy cafes, shops, and bars, most of which we will have one vegan option on the menu. Not solely focusing on the food, Gothenburg is taking its environmentally conscious attitude to its clothing brands, and even hair salons. Go shopping at Thrive and give your wardrobe the awakening it needs, and afterwards book into the Echo Lin Salon for a cruelty-free haircut. Have dinner with the city view at a raw food restaurant, open new doors, and grab a snack for later from Happy Vegan Food Shop. In this forward-thinking city on the sea, the possibilities are endless. Barcelona, Spain. Impressive architecture and stunning beaches aren't the only things that Barcelona has going for it. As one of Europe's most visited attractions, Barcelona has tons of vegan gems waiting around every corner. Forward thinking when it comes to compassionate eating, the Spanish city has a great variety of places from raw food at Petit Brat to fried options at La Trocadero. If you're traveling with meat eaters, eat at traditional tapas restaurants and order escalivada or pa amb tomaquet. The Catalonian capital actively serves and encourages meat-free eating once a week, so hop on aboard and ditch the jammin' for the weekend in Barcelona. Milan, Italy. Italy has a lot more to offer than just pizza and pasta. Milan's thriving vegan scene deserves more recognition for its innovation in chain restaurants promoting a plant-based menu. Home to the first vegan restaurant in Europe to win a Michelin star, the city is no stranger to this lifestyle movement. That brings us to the end of today's video. Do let us know in the comments below if we missed something. Anyways, be sure to leave a like to the video if you enjoyed it, and we will see you guys in the next one.